Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick screencast, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video using VLC Media Player. Whether you need to adjust it by 90, 180, or 270 degrees, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open up VLC Media Player. Upload the file that you want to rotate. Now, navigate to the Tools menu at the top. Click on Effects and Filters. In the Effects and Filters window, go to the Video Effects tab. Inside this tab, you'll find another one called Geometry. Click on it. Under Geometry, you'll see various options. Look for the Transform box and click on it. This is where the magic happens. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose the rotation degree. In my case, I need a 90-degree rotation, so I'll select that. You can choose 180 or 270 degrees, depending on your video's orientation. Now, watch as the video rotates according to the selected degree. Once it looks just right, click on Close to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your video is now properly rotated. You can play it back, and it should be right side up. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more VLC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy video editing.